In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a WordPress post. If you want your content to go live automatically at a specific time, WordPress makes that very easy. Scheduling posts is especially helpful if you like to plan content ahead of time, publish consistently, or prepare articles in advance without needing to be at your computer when they go live. To get started, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website content, settings, and posts. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Posts. This will open the section where all of your blog articles are stored. Next, click on Add Post to create a new blog post. This opens the WordPress editor where you can begin writing and formatting your content. Go ahead and write your blog post. Add your title, enter the body of your article, and make any edits you need before setting the post to go live later. It's a good idea to review everything carefully at this stage, since the post will publish automatically based on the schedule you choose. Once your post is ready, move to the publishing options and click on Publish. At this point, don't worry, you are not necessarily publishing it right away. This step simply opens the final publishing settings so you can choose when the post should be released. Now, find the option that says Publish immediately and click on it. This is the setting that controls the date and time of publication. When you select it, WordPress will let you choose a specific day and exact time for your post to go live. Select the time and date you want. Be sure to double check that the schedule matches your intended publishing plan. A useful tip here is to keep your site's time zone in mind, especially if your audience is in a different region or if you manage content according to a business schedule. Choosing the correct time helps ensure your post appears when you want your readers to see it. After you've selected the date and time, click on Schedule. This confirms your choice and tells WordPress to publish the post automatically at the scheduled moment. Once that's done, your post will remain in a scheduled status until the selected time arrives. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a WordPress post. This is a simple but powerful feature that can save time and help you stay organized with your content publishing. If you're managing multiple posts, using scheduling consistently can make your workflow much smoother and more reliable.